Hi all, welcome to KTC Factory. I'm Rani Subramanian here. Once again, I welcome you all to KTC Factory Collections. Today also I brought for you the regular new exclusive collections for the demanded all 365 days of ready-made kurtis. If I talk about this segment, beautiful varieties you can see here, the packing, multiple collections of here. And here every pattern you will find out with a catalog, beautiful catalog according to the pattern. So these are the manufacturers who are giving you the benefits. If you are into a business for the retail, so only for the ready-made kurtis, you can directly contact KTC Factory and watch this video. Subscribe the channel for the regular updates. In this video, I'm going to show you the only low-range ready-made regular wear kurtis for every woman likes and demand youngsters to every working woman. So subscribe the channel and you can do online shopping 24/7 with KTC Factory where COD available, domestic plus international. We are providing you the services. If I talk about the ready-made kurtis in the market, every day demanded kurtis are getting manufactured from the many more manufacturers at Surat. And Surat is a textile manufacture hub. If we see from the India, Gujarat is a state where Surat is one of the city from Gujarat state, and this city is having many more manufacturing segment of women apparels from lehengas, kurtis, and many more varieties of silk weaving work sarees. So as according to the women and the youngsters to college girl, every girl and every working woman every day regularly feel comfortable to wear this such varieties. Let's see some samples. The first pattern, the maroon color with the floral printed. There is a sequence work over here, and this is a straight cut kurti, and this is a code. You can find out the Kesaria tag. If I'm not mentioning or if I'm not saying the code, you can take a screenshot and you can contact our team at online purchase. And next is the code of the next pattern is the bold floral base printed of the kota patti work, which is highlighted, which is a gown pattern. And here both the sides you can find out the cut, and here is the fancy knot here. Such a beautiful golden kota patti work has been highlighted. In this also you will find out the colors. If I talk about the colors, from small size to triple XL, the manufacturers are getting manufactured, and the market already takes a ratio what kind of collections are moving and according to the sizes. So based on that, manufacturers works and kurtis getting ready. So next pattern, if I talk about Rama green color, beautiful dark yellow color printed, classy look for the regular office and college wear. This also you can find out. So next pattern, which is a digital printed of the different contrast floral printed, outing line of the golden color has been highlighted with the 3/4 sleeves. So this is also having a side cut. So this is also one more pattern, and many more varieties kurtis every day demand at all states, all villages, every places of district level. From every woman is feel comfortable whether going to market, whether going outing, or whether going to office. These are the ready-made. Every day some wear regular day sarees, some wear regular only kurtis. Comfortable depend on the person. So next pattern is a dark dim colors. I can say these are the matte finishing of the fair colors of the printed variety of the bandhani printed. In this also you can find out the Kesaria catalog. Every pattern you will find out the color chart. If I talk about the pure cotton, and this is a semi anarkali, multiple layers has been given here as a mini print of floral based, and this is the wiring work has been done. And here is also you will find out the Kesaria tag. This is a brand we're giving you with such beautiful varieties of multiple fabrics. If I talk about rayon fabric, which is a slim and long kurti for college girls, such beautiful long cut pattern with a baby pink color of the leaf printed. This is also one more pattern. And next, white, which is simple sober with a yellow color rangoli print. I can see the white is based on the white with and a black color, yellow color based. In this also you can see digital printed of casual wear printed of kurtis for the regular wear, for the Rama green color with the blue printed of the casual wear. This is also one more pattern. And next pattern with a dark magenta color with a white base printed of this. And this is also a zigzag pattern printed, and this is also we do have a sizes. If I talk about the collections, you can see here the color chart. Every pattern you will find out the color chart. Here you can see different design and different color chart you can find out, and here is also colors over here. This is also one more pattern. This is a floral printed. The n number of collections I'm showing you, the digital printed of the dark golden color highlighted and the pastel colors of this anarkali pattern, only pastel colors. See, all collections are having sizes from small to triple XL. And you can see at my background, these are the varieties of kurtis. Every kurti you can see a photocopy and the catalog and the code number. You can take a screenshot at the video and you can directly talk to a sales executives from the online team, and you can also visit to KTC factory, which is located at Surat Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building, first floor, morning 9:30 to 6:30. If you couldn't travel, no issues, COD available, 24/7 online taking for domestic as well as all countries. We are providing you safe, secure transport shipping services. So no issues, and you will receive your goods according to 7 to 10 days with the time period of Pan India. And country depend on you where you're located. Based on that sea services and the cargo services we are providing you. So when if you're really interested to have your own clothing store, these kurtis are always demanded for every day. So these are ready-made, manufactured. These kurtis in the market, when you go for purchase, 300 minimum 350 rupees we have to pay. But when you're buying from a manufacturer, you have from 65 rupees a collections. So hurry up, I can only say you can directly tie up with KTC factory. Please let me know at the comment box what kind of collections you are looking for, and let me know which kurti you liked it, and subscribe the channel for the regular updates. Keep watching, keep sharing with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Till then, keep supporting. Next video will come up with new varieties. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.